Top 20 MongoDB interview questions. Question 1. What does MongoDB use to store data? A. Documents and collections. B. Rows and columns. C. Tables and records. D. JSON and XML. The correct answer is A. Documents and collections. MongoDB stores data in JSON-like documents, grouped into collections. Question 2. Which query language does MongoDB use? A. SQL. B. JavaScript. C. MongoDB Query Language MQL. D. GraphQL. The correct answer is C. MongoDB Query Language MQL. MongoDB uses MQL for queries, which is similar to JavaScript syntax. Question 3. Which of these is not a MongoDB data type? A. String. B. Boolean. C. Integer. D. Tuple. The correct answer is D. Tuple. MongoDB does not use tuple as a data type. Question 4. What does MongoDB use for replication? A. Master-slave. B. Sharding. C. Replica sets. D. Log-based replication. The correct answer is C. Replica sets. MongoDB uses replica sets for data redundancy and high availability. Question 5. What is the default port number for MongoDB? A. 27017. B. 27018. C. 3306. D. 8080. The correct answer is A. 27017. By default, MongoDB listens on port 27017. Question 6. What is the MongoDB shell? A. A web-based interface. B. A client for query execution. C. An IDE for MongoDB development. D. A query optimizer. The correct answer is B. A client for query execution. The MongoDB shell allows interaction with the database through commands. Question 7. What does MongoDB use to ensure scalability? A. Sharding. B. Replication. C. Indexes. D. Aggregation. The correct answer is A. Sharding. Sharding divides data into smaller, distributed parts for scalability. Question 8. Which of the following is MongoDB's aggregation framework? A. MapReduce. B. Filters. C. Pipeline. D. Joins. The correct answer is C. Pipeline. Aggregation in MongoDB uses a pipeline of operations to process data. Question 9. What does the $in operator do in MongoDB? A. Matches a value within a set of values. B. Matches any documents. C. Matches null values. D. Matches text values. The correct answer is A. Matches a value within a set of values. The $in operator checks if a value exists within a set. Question 10. Which of the following supports horizontal scaling in MongoDB? A. Replication. B. Sharding. C. Indexing. D. Caching. The correct answer is B. Sharding. Sharding distributes data across multiple servers for horizontal scaling. Question 11. How is a MongoDB document stored? A. In XML format. B. In a BSON format. C. In a binary format. D. In a JSON format. The correct answer is B. In a BSON format. MongoDB stores documents in BSON, a binary form of JSON. Question 12. Which index type in MongoDB is the default? A. Compound index. B. Hashed index. C. Text index. D. Single field index. The correct answer is D. Single field index. MongoDB creates single field indexes by default for each field. Question 13. What is the maximum document size in MongoDB? A. 2 MB. B. 8 MB. C. 16 megabytes. D. 64 megabytes. The correct answer is C. 16 megabytes. MongoDB allows documents up to 16 megabytes in size by default. Question 14. What is the purpose of the $push operator? A. Add an element to an array. B. Push documents into another collection. C. Remove an element from an array. D. Increase numeric field value. The correct answer is A. Add an element to an array. $push adds an element to an array field. Question 15. Which of the following is true about MongoDB? A. It supports only SQL queries. B. It uses a strict schema. C. It is schema-less by default. D. It is an in-memory database. The correct answer is C. It is schema-less by default. MongoDB does not enforce schema by default, allowing flexibility. Question 16. What is MongoDB's replication mechanism called? A. Master-slave. B. Replica set. C. Sharded cluster. D. Replica cluster. The correct answer is B. Replica set. Replica sets ensure data availability and redundancy in MongoDB. Question 17. Which of these is used to filter documents in MongoDB? A. Match. B. Select. C. Find. D. Filter. The correct answer is C. Find. Find is used to query and filter documents in MongoDB. Question 18. Which MongoDB feature allows you to store large binary data? A. GridFS. B. BSON. C. Sharding. D. Replica set. The correct answer is A. GridFS. GridFS allows the storage of large files like images or videos. Question 19. How can you make a MongoDB query case insensitive? A. Using the $text operator. B. Using $regex with I. C. By adding a lowercase index. D. Using $case insensitive. The correct answer is B. Using $regex with I. $regex with I makes the query case insensitive. Question 20. What does the $set operator do in MongoDB? A. Sets a field to a specific value. B. Adds a new document. C. Sets the collection name. D. Sets the document ID. The correct answer is A. Sets a field to a specific value. $set modifies the value of an existing field in a document.